Jugyo hajimemasu. Minasan, konnichiwa. We are now on topic 5, session 3. This session has 5 objectives. First, to compare the ranking of the favorite things of family members and reflect on possible reasons for differences. Second, to be able to comprehend other people's preferences in Japanese. Third, to be able to talk about one's preferences in Japanese. Fourth, to encourage students to get to know their classmates better and find common points or characteristics they share. And fifth, to be able to write tsuki in hiragana. Now, bring out the result of the interview that you have conducted among your family members. Guide questions. Do your family members like the same things? Do you have the same preferences with your family members? Why? Do you feel a generation gap with your parents or other members of your family? How did you know that there is a generation gap? How do you feel about it? Write it down in your Nihongo notes. Points to be realized. Even among our families, we find differences in our preferences. But this does not mean that we cannot live harmoniously. By acknowledging these differences, we tend to be more sensitive in dealing with others with respect.
Presenting my collage.
聞いてください。私はさくらとバドミントンと BTS とミルクティーとスパゲティとドッグとアニメが好きです。
Note.
が
is used after the last noun and not.
とが
Example.
私はさくらとバドミントンと BTS とミルクティーとスパゲティとドッグとアニメが好きです。
Presenting my collage.
聞いてください。私はバスケットボールとアニメとドッグとビーチとムービーが好きです。
If you are presenting in front of the class, you need to be a bit more formal. In order to do this, you should add this at the end of the sentence. The word watashi and boku means I in English. Watashi is used to refer to oneself or the female population, while boku is usually used by young males.
私はラビットとタイコンドーとケーキとアイスクリームとルフィとブックスとミルクティーが好きです。私はチョコレートが大好きです。
No, daisuki is used to introduce the thing you like the most. 私はチョコレートが大好きです。Thoughts to ponder. Human beings from all over the world have a lot in common with one another. Finding common points or shared interests with other people can signal the start of new friendships as well as harmonious relationships with others. 皆さん、読んでください。Do the strokes end in a stop, a hook, or do they fade out? Where does each stroke begin? each stroke end. Write it out. Practice writing the word ski in hiragana. You may refer to your Let's Write in Hiragana workbook for writing each character of the word properly.
Write it up.
Let's make an origami. Prepare a colored paper and follow the instructions in making an origami heart.
Instructions. 1. Fold horizontal and vertical, then unfold. 2. Fold bottom edge to the center. 3. Fold bottom edge flaps to the center vertical line. 4. Fold top flaps to center vertical line. 5. Fold top flap down to bottom top without folding the triangles on the side. 6. Fold edge triangles along their inner edge. 7. Fold top corners down to edge made by the top flap fold. 8. Bend down top tips. Flip. Finished.
Once you are done, write the word "stick" in the origami heart that you created. Paste it on your collage.
Done.
"私はラビットと タイコンドーと、ケーキと、アイスクリームと、ルフィと、ブックスと、ミルクティーが好きです。私はチョコレートが大好きです。
好き。
皆さん、reflection time. What did you learn today? What did you do in this session? What did you realize from the activities? Write it down in your Nihongo notes. 授業終わります。さよなら